AI is not coming for jobs. AI is already here. Right now, companies across the United States are replacing six-figure employees with artificial intelligence, and the scary part, most people don't even realize it yet. In this video, you'll learn which jobs are disappearing, why companies are choosing AI, and how you can stay ahead, not replaced. In 2024 and 2025, US companies started replacing roles like customer support agents, data entry specialists, junior graphic designers, content writers, basic coders. Why? Because A, I can now do these tasks faster, cheaper, and 24/7 without salary, health insurance, or vacations. Big corporations care about one thing: profit margins. If AI saves them millions per year, the decision becomes easy. For companies in the United States, AI is not emotional. It doesn't get tired. It doesn't ask for raises. It doesn't sue the company. AI reduces operational costs. It increases productivity, and it scales instantly. From Wall Street firms to Silicon Valley startups, AI integration is now a competitive advantage. If one company adopts AI and another doesn't, the slower company loses. But here's what most people get wrong. AI doesn't replace smart people. AI replaces people who refuse to adapt. The job market is shifting, not disappearing. New roles are growing. AI prompt engineers, automation consultants, AI workflow managers, digital asset creators. The opportunity isn't gone, it's evolving. If you live in the United States or plan to work in global markets, here's what you must do. Learn AI tools. Understand automation, build digital skills, stop competing with AI, start using AI. The people who adapt will multiply their income. The people who ignore it will struggle. The future doesn't belong to the strongest. It belongs to the fastest learners. If you want to stay ahead in the AI economy and build real digital income, subscribe now, because the future is not waiting.